Some people just think they're bad at eyeliner, but usually it's not you at all. It's just the type you're using. Different eyeliners are built differently and they behave differently on purpose. Today I am demystifying eyeliner types, so next time you actually know which one to grab for the style you're going for. Let's break down each formula and what it actually does on your eyes. Starting off with the most classic girl of them all, the OG pencil eyeliner. This is usually the one people think of first when they imagine an eyeliner. It's got a cap, sometimes a little twist up, or a baby little sharpener at the end that nobody ever realizes is on there.
Pencil eyeliners can come in a bunch of different sizes, and they can be used for everyday accents or as a base for smoked out looks. These pencil eyeliners use formulas with waxes that soften under the warmth of your skin, so they're meant to blend and move. If your pencil eyeliner looks messy or smudges a little after application, it's actually doing exactly what it was designed for. That's why pencil eyeliners are perfect for creating smoky edges or filling in the lower lash line in a subtle way.
Pencil eyeliner gives you blend, but sharpness, that's a different formula entirely. And her sister actually handles this precision much more beautifully. The famous, dramatic pick of the eyeliners, liquid eyeliner. Liquid liners are bold, focused, and fast drying.
This is the eyeliner formula that gives you those pigmented, graphic wings with super clean edges without smudges. Liquid eyeliners typically come with a built-in brush tip and give you a smooth, inky lines with high payoff, but also the lowest forgiveness of the eyeliner family. If you make a mistake, it dries super quickly, and you might end up having to redo part of your eyeshadow look just to fix it.
Liquid liner gives you precision, but control? That belongs to one of her more forgiving sisters. One of my absolute favorite in the eyeliner family, the felt tip marker eyeliner. These liners look similar to liquid when applied, but behave totally different.
In marker type eyeliners, the pigment actually sits inside the felt tip and comes out with pressure, almost like a small Sharpie for your skin. This makes felt tip and brush tip eyeliners easier to use overall because the tip is firm and it feels similar to holding a pencil, but provides a much more pigmented and fast-drying line. These liners won't smudge like a pencil, but they can skip and apply patchy if the tip starts to dry out, or they can cause these wonky lines if you apply too much pressure.
Felt tip liners give you stability and intensity, but if you also want that and blendability, you're about to meet her fraternal sister. The one, the only, the trusted, gel eyeliner. Gel liners are creamy, smooth, and typically applied with a little brush that's sold separately.
These eyeliners don't behave like a liquid or a marker, but they're actually closer to a pencil eyeliner formula. They're just richer, smoother, and easier to control. Some brands have even incorporated gel liners into a pencil form so that you can get that blendable high color payoff without needing a brush for precision. And because they blend so well, they're perfect for smoky detail work.
Gel liners give you a creamy precision with movement, but if you want pure artistry and color freedom, you'll love her more whimsical sister. One of my favorite eyeliners of all time, the cake eyeliner. These are basically the watercolor equivalent in the beauty world and are used for all different types of styles.
To use this type of eyeliner, you simply add water, swirl the pigment with a brush, and apply it just like you're painting a little Bob Ross on your face. The main drawback to this type of eyeliner is actually in how you prepare it, because if you add too much water, you get thin, streaky lines. On the flip side, if you don't add enough water, it makes the formula thick and dense like an acrylic paint, which can cause cracking on the fine lines of your eyes.
Water-activated cake eyeliners let you paint your makeup on, but if you want sparkle, dimension, and pure fun, that's where her rebellious sister comes in. The black sheep of the eyeliner family, the totally underrated and underused, I am talking about glitter eyeliner. Glitter eyeliner is fun because it's actually a gel with glitter suspended inside it.
These eyeliners typically come in a tube with a brush similar to a liquid eyeliner, but this type of liner is not for precision or high pigment at all, but rather for decoration to elevate looks and adding glitter to a style without bursting out the loose sparkles. These eyeliners work best for adding a little razzle-dazzle over another type of eyeliner. If your glitter eyeliner applies a little clumpy or uneven, that's totally normal. It's doing exactly what glitter does. You just need to spread out the glitter during application so it appears more even.
Glitter eyeliner adds that extra sparkle to complement your makeup look, but all of these options can feel so confusing if no one ever explains why they behave so differently. When following makeup tutorials, a lot of people tend to focus on the actual look they're trying to achieve rather than the product formula behind it that actually makes it work. It's like using charcoal to recreate a watercolor painting. Charcoal and watercolor are both art supplies, but their medium matters when trying to recreate a specific style. Makeup is this beautiful mix of chemistry and art where the formula actually matters just as much as the technique when trying to recreate your favorite makeup style. Different eyeliners exist because they create different effects. There isn't actually a single overall best type of eyeliner, and most professionals will keep a mix of these in their bag just for this purpose. Once you understand how all these different formulas behave, eyeliner stops feeling like such a mystery and starts feeling like a tool you can actually control. You were never that bad at eyeliner. You just grabbed the wrong type. Once you match the right type of eyeliner to the style you want, everything changes.